Hey everybody, how's it going? So I have a Milwaukee video. Got a couple items from A-Bomb. He sent me some items. Milwaukee M12 PVC shears and a couple SDS plus rotary hammer bits. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching, and it's a shout out. Hey everybody, how's it going? So, I got a couple items in the mail from A-Bomb, or Adam Bomb. He is on Discord, does lots of killer deals. He sells lots of Milwaukee and Makita, DeWalt, Ryobi. He does good deals. I actually was looking for this tool and at Home Depot, and for whatever reason nobody had them, and Adam got it out to me in a couple days. It was pretty quick compared to when I got this in the mail yesterday, as well as the hammer vac attachment from Milwaukee, and I just didn't get around to doing the videos until today. But went to Home Depot yesterday, the day I got this in the mail, left it on the toolbox or the tool cart, and now Home Depot has it. But Adam was pretty awesome. He actually threw in some bits for me, and Adam's cool like that. He'll try to help you out. He's a pretty great guy. He'll actually break up like a kit, and like an M12 kit, and he'll give you an M18, M12 multi-volt charger. If you're looking at getting into both lines, I ended up opening the box and then I just resealed it for you guys, just because I had no idea who it was from. I didn't order anything from QVC. And the name on the box sounded familiar, but and I paid him through the Cash App. And I think Jason Reynolds used to use the Cash App too. Pop the box open, and we'll also unbox it in the video too. We'll take it out the box, we'll look at it and everything. And the box is kind of smashed, and I wasn't worried about it. The box is now empty. I'm probably going to keep that box too. I might need it for something. Alright, so this is what he sent me. It's the M12 2470-20 M12 plastic pipe shears. I call them PVC shears, or shear. And he sent me as a bonus these two DeWalt 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch high impact carbide SDS plus bits, which was pretty awesome of him to send me. These are DeWalt. So this one, the 1/4 inch, is DW5518 Dog Whiskey 5518, and then the 1/2 inch is Dog Whiskey 5537. The 1/2 inch is 6 inch, and the 1/4 inch is 8.5 inch. And this is not a fuel tool. It is brushed, which is fine. It will do exactly what I need it to. Capacity up to 2 inch schedule, 80 PVC. Length 14 inches and 1/4 inch. Weight is 4.3 pounds. Blade is 3mm reinforced stainless steel. And I wanted these because I'm doing a lot of PVC work for my wife's garden, and I figured, oh, maybe this would probably be a lot cleaner and easier to just cut the PVC. You probably have a lot less tear out, as well as a lot less wasted PVC. I was using my 12-inch DeWalt flexible miter saw. What I was using, and the kerf of the blade is a lot wider than this tool. You got your instruction booklet. Another M12 M18 pamphlet, and not sure if this actually has an entry ticket in it. It does not. This one does not have an entry ticket. Some of these booklets do, so keep that in mind. Box is empty. Does not look like it's ever been opened or anything like that. And I ended up burning the boxes anyways. After I cut off the serial numbers, because I saved the serial numbers. Put a battery in here. It's nice compact with a compact battery. Does not stand on its own, which I wouldn't expect it to. It does have blade wrench storage right there. Push this top button right here. Move the light for you guys. This top button to release the blade. Lock, unlock, so safety switch. It's very fast. You can actually open it and close it with the motor. As you guys see, you just flip this switch right here, directional switch, and it's how do you say it? Ambidextrous. There you go. Alright, so you can push the button with your right thumb, you can push it with your left thumb, whatever is easier for you. But push the button in. Now it's going forward, and it is quite quick. It stops on its own. Push the button in. You can actually open it with the motor, and then you can also just quickly open it for quick, fast cuts. You just push this button down, and boom, pops open. And then you don't have to take it out of forward speed. Does have a battery indicator, and it does let you know when you're going too far. See? So it's very nice tool. It will definitely come in handy. I'll probably when I do some more videos on the garden drip system, maybe I'll do shoot a quick video and turn around and show this in use. If you guys want to see it, let me know. I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video today. I don't want to make this video too long. I do appreciate Adam for sending this out to me, as well as I do appreciate the SDS bits. Those will come in handy, and it will give me an opportunity to check out the DeWalt ones, see if I like the DeWalt ones. But just a quick short video. There isn't much specs on it. It is just a stainless steel sharpening cutter blade. I do want to give you guys a quick notice. This blade is extremely sharp. Do not put your fingers inside the housing at any time. No matter if you're trying to adjust something, adjust it from the outside on either side. Do not ever put your fingers near the blade. It will cut off your fingers. So just a safety warning. Pretty easy tool to use. Just like all M12 tools, has the battery indicator. It's nice that it's got the quick open button. It's nice that you can go in certain speeds. You can go slow or fast. Has rubber overmolding on this side, so you can lay it down like that. It looks like it's got rubber overmolding on the opposite side as well, so you can lay it either direction. All in all, it's a very nice tool. Do appreciate you guys stopping by, so please, as always, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Also Tools link, top of the description. You guys go check that out. It'll get you 10% off your order. AlsoTools.com, as well as it will kick me back 10% off on my next order. So it does save me money to bring tools to the channel for you guys. All affiliate links, I do get a commission. Doesn't cost you anything extra on whatever you order. It just gives me a commission for sending you guys over. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, as always, checking out the video. Have fun. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this tool, any specific stuff you would like to see me cut with it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!